Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we just hit 10,000 subscribers.
Woohoo!
Yeah, thank you very, very, very much. That's an awfully large amount of people.
This is quite a big occasion for us.
This is the first milestone that's like...
It's actually worth noting, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, like, we did stuff... Well, I believe when we hit, like, 400 subscribers, we were like, oh my god, thank you, everybody. But, like, this is actually an arena's worth of people. This is...
It's a lot of people.
Yeah, that is... It gets now to the point where it's really hard to visualise how many people that is. So any more than this, and it's really hard, because we're having an arena's amount of people. What's bigger than that?
A bigger arena.
Okay. So we'll get to 15,000 and be like, we now have also an arena's amount of people, just a bigger arena. Yeah, thank you very, very, very much. We're going to do a special video. We're going to do what might be the most requested video that we have ever been requested. And that is we're going to write a song without edits, because that's one of the biggest complaints that we get, is that you want to see the entire process of us writing a song. But we're not just going to upload a video without edits. We're going to live stream it.
This will kind of help it feel like more of a community thing, so you guys can obviously comment and tell us what you think of the song as we're writing it. So it's more of a group effort as opposed to just our song. Yeah. So it's our song, everyone. Your song, our song. The live stream will be happening this Saturday at these times, and I hope you turn up for it, because in theory it's going to be really good. We've been doing some tests for live streams over the past few months, and we've got decent at it. They are now the quality, in theory, that the videos are. So if you viewed one of our live streams like 2 years ago and were like, I'm not going to watch another one of those because they're a bit shit, we've got better. We've got better equipment and everything's better. So yeah, I guess that's it. This is just a little bit of announcement to say, A, thank you very, very much. That's a very large amount of people and we are very thankful. And also, we're going to celebrate it by doing a live stream where we're going to write a song. We also recently hit 750,000 views, which is also pretty cool because that's an awfully large amount of views. And originally, when Lenny told me that, he just said, "Oh, we've hit 250,000 views," and I was like, "Really? Is that it? Is that all we've had?" And it turns out, no, it was 750,000 views. I
just didn't say the thing.
Yeah.
I think last time when we hit 5,000 subscribers, we were like, okay, we're not going to celebrate a subscriber milestone again until 10,000. So we're probably not going to do one now until at least 2050, something like, not 2050 the years, in 20,000, 50,000, because we're running out of ideas, basically. The idea for this video was, I'll try and make it look a little bit interesting, so we are definitely getting to the bottom of the barrel. Helium was the last idea, so if you do have any ideas for milestone videos, by all means, say them within the next few years.
Well, that's why we're doing the live stream, because we're keeping the content relevant, as opposed to just doing shit videos like this.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. So we should probably stop doing videos like this.
Yeah.